Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix forget Apple ID password, how to change Apple ID password without any computer, Mac, PC or laptop or iTunes without any phone number verification, how to sign out Apple ID without any password. In this video to fix this issue. In this video we solve this issue in 3 easy ways. Please keep watching this video until the end. Solution 1. Click on Settings app. In Settings page, click on Apple ID. Click on Passcode and Security. Click on Change Password. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your new password and verify password. Make sure both passwords should be same. Enter your new password and verify password. Make sure both passwords should be same. Solution 2. Click on Settings app. In Settings page, click on Apple ID username at top of the page. Completely scroll down and type on Sign Out. Click on Forget Password. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. If you forgot iPhone passcode, then click on Forgotten the passcode. If you forget iPhone passcode, then click on Forgotten the passcode and follow on-screen instructions. Enter your new password and verify password. Make sure both passwords should be same. Your password has been changed. Tap on Done. Click on Sign Out from top right corner. Click on Sign Out in pop-up window. Sign out your Apple ID. Method 3. Click on Reset Password. Enter your phone number. Tap on Send code to your phone number. Click on Send code to your trusted phone number. Send code to your trusted phone number. Enter your verification code sent to your number. Enter your verification code sent to your number. Enter your old iPhone passcode. Enter your old iPhone passcode. Enter your new password and verify password. Make sure both passwords should be same. Your password has been changed. Tap on Done. Click on Sign Out from top right corner. Then click on Sign Out in pop-up window.